let's talk about your hair.
Okay. I think this is what I want. I kind of,
That's kind of what you have already.
I feel like it doesn't have a shape, and it's really dry.
You feel like it feels dry right now and looks
It feels dry, looks dry, no product on it. Like, I would like to go just like this sometimes, but it just gets bigger as the day goes.
Yeah.
And then if you touch it,
I mean,
it
your
just
hair
looks
looks great right now. It feels really good. It
Okay.
doesn't feel damaged. Doesn't feel dry.
Okay.
I have to say that first of all.
Yeah.
You might need a haircut, you know.
Yeah.
But.
And I'm fine with cutting some of the length off. That's fine.
Yeah.
I'm good with that.
Okay. And so the picture you showed me was kind of like right at the shoulders. Do you like how that sits right there?
Yeah, I think that would be okay. Ever find a product that doesn't either make it sticky or then it ends up drying it out?
Sure.
Because I can't go like 2 weeks and not wash my hair. Like that would drive me insane.
Yeah,
so it gets washed about every 3 days.
Okay.
Because I need, or it gets wet, you know, so I can refresh it. So I try to sleep in a satin bonnet or satin pillowcase and just pineapple. Some days it comes out and it looks okay. Other days it comes out and it just kind of looks like a chia pet. So I like the curly, but this is what usually happens.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think anything is wrong with this look. I love this. This is cute. But yeah, if you don't have product in your hair, it's going to get bigger. That's just how curly hair works. It's going to expand.
Right.
It's just, unless we have like a gel on there to kind of weigh it down a little bit. So I think just adjusting your routine, finding something that works best. You know? We're going to use niche today.
Okay.
So you can see how that works on your hair.
Okay.
I think you're going to really like it.
All right.
And then for the haircut, like your face framing, are you wanting to keep it like right at your eye, or do you want it to be like a little bit longer than that?
I just want to have enough to be able, when I pull it back, like up on top of my head, or
How do you pull it back?
Usually it's either piled up on top of my head, and I use like those really large like hair ties. Well, like the really large ones that don't have any wires or anything in them, and I just put the big one on there and let it set. So it's just like a big pineapple on top of my head.
Okay, okay. So then, like you said, the roundness is what you really like about that.
That's what I really like. I like that it has some shape.
Yeah, I mean, you have good shape, but we just need to kind of connect these things together.
Yeah. Yep. Definition is crazy.
You like having a glitch thing. I was like, what do you think? And you
I was like, well, I was kind of like, I was trying to like take him back. I was like trying to take him back. I'm like, I've never had, you know, that good of definition curl like that. And I like the shape a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's good.
The bang thing?
Yeah, it's like a little bit of bang.
Not really.
But not really. I'm not committing, but committing. Yeah.
Tell me about it. Let's see. I don't know really much to say other
Just
than
like your hair history, like what you're using at home, what you've been struggling with.
oh, I don't use
looking for.
anything. Like I couldn't tell you a product I use. I just use whatever I pick up at Marshall's.
Okay.
And so it varies because I've spent a lot of years wearing my hair straight. I haven't had a relaxer for 26 years though.
Okay.
But I've straightened my hair a lot, and so it's probably been 8 months since I've straightened my hair.
Okay. That's pretty
Now,
good. That's pretty
but
good. So,
I just haven't figured out how to wear it in its natural state without it being. I haven't figured out a way I like it.
okay.
So I'm trying to decide: do I just not like the curl pattern I have on me, or is it just because how it?
How it's laying.
Yeah.
So when's the last time you got a haircut?
Oh, now because I've been trying not to straighten it because I couldn't get it cut without it being straightened.
From your stylist?
Yes.
Okay.
It's probably been 6, 7 months.
Okay. So,
Historically, I usually get my hair trimmed.
Yeah, sure. What are your goals for today?
To see if I can get my hair cut or trimmed, whatever is necessary, to be able to wear it down in a curly fashion, for it to have definition. Because when I do it, this is usually frizzy, and then there's some curls on the end.
Okay. You like volume?
But I have a little face. So, but I do like volume.
Okay.
I guess I'm more worried about like the shape.
Yeah. So what shape are you looking for? You have pictures?
I have a few. This I like, but it's too short.
Okay.
This is an example of what I don't. This is what I feel like I look like.
Sure.
Like it's no.
There's no shape.
No shape.
Okay, let's go back to the other picture. So you like that shape though, just longer.
Yeah.
I don't know how your curl pattern is, and honestly, like it's going to change every time you see me.
Yeah.
If you continue to wear it curly, you're probably going to see more spring factor.
Yeah.
It's going to shrink more. But right now, we're in a limbo where like there are some pieces that are like going to lay looser and lay longer, and some places are going to spring up. So we're in a weird spot where we're going to have to see the transition of your hair.
Okay.
Like that. You like the bangs?
I like them on her. I do like them. It's overall like this. I feel like it might start getting a little short in there.
Okay, go back to that. I want to go back to the other one. What do you mean short? That's not short to me.
In here.
So that's short layers, but you want volume.
So I need layers.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So if you want shape, that's going to be layers, which is going to make you feel shorter. Not saying that this length right here is going to be cut really short.
Right.
But if this shape up here is shorter, to the eye, you may feel like your hair shorter.
Oh no. As long as overall.
Yeah. As long as the perimeter is still sitting
Yeah.
long, and then we have like the shape up top.
Yeah.
Then you're okay with that.
Yeah, but-
Okay. So with that one, do you like the way she's like
That's
deep
where
side parted like this?
I'm thinking that's what I like about this. If you choose one, this I like the best because it's a little sexier.
Okay.
I would prefer
Yeah.
sexier looking hair
Okay.
than super conservative.
Okay, so what about we have like a happy medium? So then like you can do a deep part,
Mm-hmm.
and then you'll have like a few pieces like kind of trickling in here.
Yeah.
So you can toss back and forth and still have like the kind of
same
bang,
type of- yeah,
but you
uh-huh.
can still do what you want with it.
Okay.
I think the deep part is really cute. Honestly, I don't have a lot of people that do it.
Oh, okay.
So I think that'd be really fun.
Because I feel like that shows volume too.
It does.
That's
It's
why I
gonna
like
make it look really voluminous.
Okay.
And you're gonna see a lot of shape.